Hey everyone, my name is Sanchita Rajdev. I'm a legal intern in Lawminds. Today I'm going to explain you how to file a charge sheet in India. Filing a charge sheet is a very critical step in criminal justice process. It bridges the gap between investigation and the trial and ensures that the justice is served while protecting the rights of the accused. Moving on to the next part, we need to know that what is a charge sheet. Charge sheet is a legal document prepared by the police officer or any investigation agency. It contains the detail of the offences, finding of investigation, and the evidence collected during the investigation. Once it is prepared, it is submitted to the magistrate or any court for the further prosecution. A charge sheet is essentially a final report of the investigation conducted by the police officer. Think of it like a bridge that connects the police investigation to the formal trial. For example, a vehicle is stolen and police gathers and starts investigation. It collects evidences like CCTV footages, statements of witness, and then prepare officially the charge sheet to present the case in the court. Moving on to the next slide. What are the contents of the charge sheet? A charge sheet contains a detailed information of accused and complainant, clear descriptions of offences, witness statements, and informations of any witnesses, and the status of the accused if released, arrested, or in custody, and the evidence collected during the investigation. For example, in the theft case, the charge sheet will include CCTV footages, witness information, statements, stolen vehicle informations, and the police notes. As you can see in the next slide, there are the steps to file the charge sheet. This process contains 5 steps. First, investigation. The police officer gathers evidence and records statements. Second, review. The senior officer checks the completeness. Third, drafting. The police officer prepares the official charge sheet. Fourth, submission. The charge sheet is submitted to the magistrate or the court. Step 5, the court review. The magistrate decides whether to take the cognizance. For example, during a fraud investigation, a new bank record surfaced after filing the charge sheet. Then you can add the supplementary charge sheet including that new bank record. Now we will discuss what is the time limit of the charge sheet. For the offences which are punishable by less than 10 years, it should be filed within 60 days. And for the serious offences like imprisonment of life, death penalty, it must be filed within 90 days. Now, what are the consequences for delay? If police officer fails to file the charge sheet on time, then the accused can claim for default bail. This ensures that the justice moves forward without unnecessary delays. Why charge sheet is crushed? Criminal law aims to punish the guilty, but sometimes false or baseless FIRs and charge sheets are filed. To prevent the misuse, Section 482 of CrPC gives the power to the High Court to squash the charge sheet if it shows no offence or lacks credible evidence. This protects innocent people from wrongful prosecution and unnecessary trials. Why charge sheet is compulsory? In India, for cognizable offences, the police officer must investigate after an FIR and file a charge sheet if evidence is found. For non-cognizable offences, the police officer cannot investigate without court's permission or file a charge sheet without a court permission. Hence, a charge sheet is a vital document in the criminal justice system. It formalizes investigation, initiates prosecution, ensures transparency, and protects the rights of accused. Understanding the process, timelines, and legal provision is essential for anyone pursuing law and or working in the legal practice. Thank you.